Hey Caddy, what is our biggest struggle so far? Before I continue, smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. It's completely free and completely helps us out. Subscribe, share around and all that hype. Let's have a real look, shall we? I'm off to the doctors. It's one of our biggest struggles yet. Basically, I'm going down there to see if he'll sign something to prove my ID and who I am. Because of the channel, I need ID for the Google AdSense and all that lot. And obviously it's to get away from the odd job in one day and turn YouTube into a career so that we can keep making continuous videos for you guys and just let you in and see our way of life and maybe even give some inspiration to you guys and get you out. Anyway, it's nearly time. I'll go in there and see what happens, eh? Well, turns out he can't do it. And that's what I find really bloody annoying here. Trying to do the right things. And I showed him. I showed the doc, you know, like this is all the information I've got, bank card, you know, all my paperwork, my NHS number, everything. And Citizen Card UK says the doctor can do it, or a solicitor or a police officer and this and that. The doctor that can validate my records against what I'm saying on the form, right? And this is where it gets really super weird, and I'm not happy about it because the doctor went, I don't know who you are, you know, I can't prove who you are unless you've got photo ID. And I'm like, exactly, but this is what I'm trying to get the photo ID for. So people can identify me and I can actually, you know, get AdSense properly, get paid, and also all that sort of thing. And he was like, yeah, but I can't, you know, you could be anyone. Cool, brilliant. And then do you know what he does in the next breath? He said, you need more blood thinners. I need more blood thinners. Yes, I do. I've only got 8 days left, sort of thing. And because of my condition, high risk and all that lot, apparently. He said, you need more blood thinners. I was like, it's right. The chemist said that come in when I've got 5 days left, and I can get the repeat then. Well, it turns out he does me my prescription, and I look at it, my full name, my date of birth. So you can't verify who I am, and yet you've just given me medication because you haven't verified who I am. I don't understand that. And you know, it's a big real issue, isn't it? You know, well, it's our biggest issue as nomads. We've combated so many adversities, so many different, you know, so many different things, and yet this is the one thing that stops us. A piece of plastic with me mug on it. Luckily Tara's not with me because it's been a real emotional roller coaster, you know. And yeah, it's kind of of us a bit. It is kind of us a bit. I just don't understand why we get so far and then all of a sudden all these issues arise because of a bit of plastic. Just because of a bit of plastic. But if there's any of you out there that know how to get around this, I mean, I sent off some birth certificates, so hopefully the post office can do it, sort of thing. But apparently we've only got 45 days on AdSense to get this cleared and sorted. But because I need ID and things like that, I can't, you know. So hopefully if we send off this birth certificate and get the post office to sign it, which costs more bloody money, that's fine, whatever. But hopefully they get this, because I've already paid for it. I've already paid for this citizen card. And, you know, so that's the kick in the teeth. It's already paid, it's already been fast tracked, you know, 2 days postage, delivery and all that lot. And then what's happening is it just seems that all these professionals, you know, all these professionals just keep dragging their feet. And I'm like, if you guys got any loopholes, anything anywhere, we'd be really appreciative, so appreciative in fact, because, you know, like all the problems we have, the cold, the rain, the snow, all that lot, even going hungry, not a problem, you know, baby steps, but it's just, yeah, it's I don't know, it's just really getting to us. You know, it's the hardest thing we have to overcome. And you know, and I know there's many more things that we could be upset about and scared about, our health and things like that. But this one thing, you know, when you try and build a dream, and all of a sudden you're smacked in the mouth. Wake up. You're smacked in the mouth. Yep. Anyway, I should jump off this bloody gravy train. And there's an old quote, wasn't there? One of the Batman films. And he says, "Bruce, why do we fall?" And Bruce turns around and says, I don't know, something like that. And he turns around and says something like, we learn how to get back up. Oh yeah, I've fallen. I'm trying to learn to get back up, so sod it. Anyway, sorry it's not our usual content. It's getting dark now, although it doesn't really show, but it is. You can probably tell by the quality. It's getting dark, so tomorrow I've managed to pick up battery pack, action camera, charge lead, waterproof housing. I'm going to go out there tomorrow morning, set it up, and see if we can figure out what this bloody thing is in the cave. I've got the weekend to mull over things, and hopefully something will happen by Monday morning, and we can find out what's in that bloody cave, or at least what's crap in there anyway. Thank you to you guys, really appreciated, most definitely. It's been awesome, all of you are absolutely awesome, and the support that everyone gets. We've had a few bits of bad news over the last couple of weeks, and that's fine, you know. It's all that, it's the notion of we've all got to stick together, right? You know, creators alike, and even you that's just watching and trying to learn bits and bobs. If you're starting a YouTube channel and you want to be monetized, make sure you've got some photo ID, because yeah, didn't think of that, did I? But you know, it's not just me that it affects Tara, it affects the dog, it affects us all. And we don't want that to affect our videos, so it won't, I promise you, it won't. But we've got some travel coming in, like our little wonders and that, this cave thing. We've still got this other big video that we've been working on for you as well. It's taken a lot of work and a lot of effort to put it together. I'm not going to give it away because Tara, she'll have me for it. Shh. But no, it should help shed a lot of light on things, especially if it's your first time out, or you're trying to stay hidden, or you're trying to find places. It's more of a real in-depth, deep dive, instructional, constructional sort of video, so it should be good. It should be good, and I hope you like it too. Anyway, Callie, I'm nearly home. Tara does know, so I shan't be recording our reunion. Yeah, stick around. Remember to hit that notification bell up there somewhere, wherever it is, just so you don't miss anything that we upload. Members, we got some bits coming for you. You're awesome. I know it's not been a good start, but we have got some behind the scenes bits for you and all that sort of jazz. Anyway, Callie, happy hopping.